Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Guy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. We've hit 150. It's not that big on YouTube, but to me, it makes me very happy. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate the help. And let's keep going with it. So yeah, today we're going to finish off the video about modes. Modes, as I've said, are a 7-note pattern. Diatonic patterns like this, like simple ones like modes, they're not that hard, but they're seen as hard. But they're just patterns. As I keep saying, just patterns. That's all you gotta remember. So last time, I'll leave a link up top if you haven't seen it. We hit on the 1st, 5th, and 6th mode. 6th mode, remember, is the relative minor, and it's so fun because we'll do that at the end as well. But anyway, 1st Ionian, 5th Mixolydian, 6th Aeolian. Now we're gonna hit on the Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, and Locrian. As I've said, it's a major scale that you're going through, but you're going up the steps. So the Dorian is going to start on the 2nd, which is A. In this case, we're doing G. So the Dorian in G is going to start on A, and it's going to go like this. So that's going to be the 5th fret of your E string. It's going to go 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret on your E, and then you're going to go to A string. That's going to be 5th, 7th, 9th. And then to end that 7-note pattern, you're going to go to D string on the 5th fret. And to finish off the octave, it's going to be A, which is on the D string on the 7th fret. So yeah, moving on from there, we get the Phrygian. Phrygian is cool because of the name. It's also a really cool pattern. So let's do it. As I've said, major scale, so now we're going to start on the 3rd, which is going to be B. So we're going to start on the 7th fret of the E string. So we're going to go 7 on the E, 8 on the E, 10 on the E, and we're going to skip up to A string again, 7, 9, 10, and we're going to skip up to D string and play the 7th, and then the 9th, finishing on the octave there. Right, so there is 2 and 3, so 4 is next. Let's do 4. These are very simple once you keep going through them. Just remember, they're just patterns. I keep saying it. Pattern, pattern, pattern. Anyway, we've got the Lydian next, so let's get into that pattern. So that's going to start on your C. So that's going to be the 8th fret of your E string, 10th, 12th, and you're going to skip up to your A string again, 9th fret, 10th fret, 12th fret, and then you're going to play, to finish it off, D string 9th fret and D string 10th fret. So that will sound like this. So it's got a cool kind of vibe from it. It's quite a cool scale. I don't really use it that much in my playing. I should, but I'm mostly Phrygian, Locrian, as I say, Aeolian, and Mixolydian. They're my top ones to go to. But anyway, let's get into Locrian. Locrian is epic. I love the Locrian. It's very, very simple. It's the 7th mode, and basically it just runs in so well with anything. I think personally the 6th mode definitely into the relative minor, so it goes like this. So I'll start on the 7th mode, 7th note. So you'll start on the F sharp. You can play up here on the 14th fret, or you can play down here on the 2nd, whatever you want. You can play the whole neck if you want. But just for this video, we're going to start up here on the 14th. So you got the 14th, you got the 15th, and you got the 17th on the E string. You got the 14th, 15th, 17th on the A string, and then you're going to finish off with the 14th and the 16th of the D string. But yeah, like I say, I love that mode going into Aeolian. For some reason, for me, going from one to the other, it's just really easy to get into the pattern of going up and down because of them last 2 notes. Anyway, it sounds like this. So yeah, these modes, for me, they're so easy to learn, so easy to remember, and just doing them is just so good for your playing. Definitely practice them. They're much easier than you think. They're just so fun, and your knowledge of the neck's going to be so much better. Just remember these patterns, and you'll know wherever you are, whenever you are, basically. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it's helped. Get practicing and have some fun. because that's what music's about. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot, guys.